It's me, Jonathan Bennett. And what better way to take you behind the scenes of Halloween Wars than on my daily trick-or-treat route? Here we go. Trick-or-treat! Oh, thanks, Graham. Thank you so much. Trick-or-treat, trick-or-treat. Oh, thank you, yes, yes, yes. Trick-or-treat. Sam? Yes, I love a burrito, yes. You know when you go to the good houses and they give you actual burritos? That's a good house. That's a good house. Watch out. Low ceilings here, low ceilings. Okay, we're going back here to no, this is makeup. Trick or treat!
Oh my God.
Trick or treat! Hey, it's me, Jonathan. It's me.
Yeah, hang on.
Okay, thank you. Trick or treat. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Oh, you're welcome.
Trick or treat. Happy Halloween. Happy Halloween. Okay, now let's go over to wardrobe where they make us look good, keep our clothes pressed. Trick or treat, John. Trick or treat, Rachel. Oh, thanks, John.
You're welcome.
Wardrobe gives out like the boring candies. Like no one ever wants these. You don't go to a house and be like, oh wow, I got hard candy. You know what? You can actually have some of that back. Thank you, thank you. Trick or treat. Now let's go this way. We're gonna go back here to. This is where they do my laundry. This is fun. These are the washing machines where we wash all the aprons. This door's usually unlocked. Not now. Not now, it wasn't. That's fine, here we go. So now we're on the Halloween Wars stage. And this is where culinary has all the behind the scenes things. I mean, these are whisks. These are, I don't know what they are, but I'm gonna need one at some point. Just put some of these. The nice thing is I have a walkie-talkie too. Attention all crew, Could we please make sure Jonathan Bennett has plenty of snacks and candy in his room? Attention all crew, thank you very much. Having a walkie-talkie really helps. All right, now these are where we take the cameras. I would take one of them, but they're very expensive and we don't have the budget for that. All right, now we go back here. Look at this, this is where they watch the monitors. This is, oh my gosh, is he beautiful. Look at that, look at that. Okay, let's take you on stage. Here we go. Guys, hey guys. Okay, they always make sure the angles are above my chin, so I look good. All right, oh, look, my ride share's here. Thank you, I'll be a minute, just 1 minute. I'll be back to you. Okay, this is the set, of Halloween, Halloween Wars. You can just throw anything. No one cares, do whatever you want. All right, this is the set where the magic happens. Oh, the pumpkin patch, thank you so much. More hard candy, because that's what we have budgeted for this gag. More hard candy, thank you. All right, now let's go back here. This is catering, this is where we eat every day. And before you shoot an entire episode, you wanna make sure you have a healthy breakfast of cereal because I spend a lot of energy on this show. You know, I'm always working on things like, you know, different things. I'm always making sure that we're having fun, so you wanna make sure you have a good breakfast in you while you're trick-or-treating. All right, let me take you to where the magic happens. This is my favorite part of the entire set. I have no idea what happens back here. I never come back here. It's a lot of people with computers and like paints and things, but I think it's important. Trick or treat, trick or treat. Oh, look at that. And what do you do on the show?
Just, you know, supply all the food stuff.
Supply all the food stuff. Well, thank you very much. I'm gonna take the rest of your candy. Wow, that was a good haul. Look at all the stuff we got. We got candy, we got eggs, we got potatoes, cereal, everything you need to make a good episode of Halloween Wars. Tune in, Food Network, Sunday nights.